Okay. Tell us your name.
My name is PC Builder, and I'm a PC builder.
Wait, hold up. I just realized I'm reading the wrong questions. Are you qualified to teach computer building?
No?
How many computers have you made?
About 2,000. Depends on the computer you build.
What are your thoughts about your student?
I think that answers itself.
What is the jankiest PC you have ever built?
I built a computer for my friend once, and it didn't even have it didn't have a case to go in. So, I mean, today we have a case, which is good. But, you know, his case, like, everything was out. The hard drive was, like, duct taped somewhere. It was pretty great. But I would totally do it again. Yeah.
My name is Tavian Stemenberg-Halter.
Okay. Do you think computers are expensive?
It depends on what you're looking for. I know some of the more high-end ones can get into the couple thousands.
Do you think the computer you're making today is going to be expensive?
The computer I'm making, I hope it's valuable or has some value.
How do you think your first PC is going to turn out?
How it's going to turn out? That's a good question.
Do you have high expectations?
No. I have the lowest amount of expectations right now.
Have you done anything like this before?
I am very inexperienced with this.
Okay. Anything else?
I think my teacher might be an incel.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to be building you a computer. You got this? So right here, yeah, we got a motherboard. So what this does is it holds all of your stuff. Here, we got the processor. This is like the brain of your computer, and it's like, it's got all the power. Not literally, but like, you know, it's like, it's got all the power. RAM stands for Random Access Memory.
Wait, quick question.
What's that?
So if I wanted to run a Minecraft server, that's going to help me out? Like
This-
those two small sticks?
This is gonna run your entire Minecraft server.
You're serious?
I'm serious. And if you want more,
That is bonkers, dude.
that's absolutely bonkers, dude. Actually bazongas. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's called RAM. Here we've got a sound card. We're gonna be making your thick beats on here. Okay? Because I know you love to make music so much.
I do?
Yeah, that's
When have I ever mentioned that?
in your application, of course. This is the graphics card. This is like... It's nice. This, this is
Just what I needed.
literally gives you all the power that your system will need.
That small thing?
This tiny thing, yes.
Wow.
And you might be wondering where that $1,000 budget went, and there's no case here.
Yeah, I was kind of excited about the case, you know?
Yeah, you really wanted a nice case, right?
I know, I showed you the one I wanted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
You got it for me?
Yeah. No.
What?
We got you this box, dude.
What?
So we got this all built. We got this sick fan. We forgot to put a hard drive in, so we put that in off camera, of course.
Hello? Hello? Huh?
Wake up! Your computer's done.
It's done?
Yeah, it's done.
It's done?
Yeah, it's done.
No, no way this thing works.
Look, you even have a power button and everything. Of course it works. As long as it has a power button, it'll turn on.
No. Okay. So you're saying if I turn it on right now, it's gonna work?
No? Well, I mean, you gotta turn the fan on first. I mean, how else is it gonna cool itself? I know it may be really loud, but it's gonna work.
No.
Okay? Come on, just... Here, I'll turn it on for you. Actually, no, do the honors, turn it on. Come on. You know where the button is? It's your computer. That welcome screen? Oh my god. And even King pre-installed it, the coolest screensaver. I know you love space.
I think I hate you.
Sounds like it went fine.
3, 2, 1, let's go mine down. No!
60 layers deep, cause you're sheep. I stay deep, I stay mining. 60 layers deep, cause you're sheep. I stay deep. Ice and creep, what's that? Can't tell, iron ore, almost fell. Gotta mine that ore quick. Show me something I ain't mined before. Diamonds, high net, coal ore. I'm 9 some, but I need some more. What's the science of mining that low?